Okay, let me give you a little behind the scenes sneak peek into our brand new content calendar. So when you log into One Drop Designs, you're going to come over here under categories and you're going to search by content calendars. When content calendars come up, you're going to sort by new. You can see we have quite the plethora of content calendars for you at your fingertips. But this month specifically, we are actually focusing on men's health and highlighting how you can utilize and educate on doTERRA essential oils and our products to really support the men in your life. So in this content calendar, you'll see in here a small item description of what the content calendar is. So basically our content calendars is the written out content that goes with the graphics that you download through your One Drop subscription. So you can see a quick example here under day 4. You can see this is the text that you get access to through the content calendar. And then our contributors have all created incredible downloads that you can download based on your aesthetic, based on what kind of look you desire. You can download that graphic specific to that day. So I want to give you a deeper behind the scenes view of what this looks like. So once you purchase the content calendar, you can actually click over here and go to jump to calendar, or you can come up here under my account and you can go down to my content calendars. So when you're in your content calendars, you'll notice that every content calendar you've ever purchased with One Drop Designs will stay stored in your content calendars. So you can always come back and reutilize this information at a future date. You can revamp this information. So you always have it at your fingertips. So when you come in here, again, you'll have your quick description, kind of the details of how the content calendar works, but you're gonna come in here and you're gonna select the day of the month that the month starts on. So for March, it's gonna start on a Wednesday. We're gonna go ahead and save that. Now, when you're on a desktop, you have a few different views that you can watch or view the content calendar by. So you'll see we have our calendar view, or you can switch into our stacked view. Now, if you're logging in on your phone, you will only see the stacked view. So these first 3 days are always filled in when doTERRA releases the promotion, the 10% off product, and the product of the month. So you will notice these are actually empty until doTERRA releases that information to the public, and then we will upload the copy in here and our contributors will upload graphics in here for you. So in here, again, you'll see the expanded. We have the theme of the month is Men's Health 101. You have your copy that you can come in here. So what you'll do, the process behind this is you'll come in here and you'll select the graphic that you love. You'll download it. You'll put your watermark on it, which is basically your brand, either your name or if you have a specific brand. You'll put your brand on to the graphic, and then you'll copy this text and you can upload the graphic into your Facebook group, into your newsletter, into your blog, wherever you're wanting to educate your community and your audience. You'll upload that graphic and you can paste in this copy that we've already written for you. Now, this copy should be about 98% there, and that extra 2% is your leeway to really utilize your voice and to showcase this information in a way that you teach and you educate. So again, the base concepts are always there for you. You absolutely can copy and paste if you desire to. Once you're done with this day, you'll come up here and you will select the box. You'll notice that that will actually gray out the day. So if you desire to jump around in the content calendar, you absolutely can. You can come in here, you can jump into this copy, download your graphic, and then once you're done posting it, you can exit out. So you'll notice that you can see what ones you've posted, what ones you haven't, and that way you have a good consistent 30 days plus of content that you're sharing in whatever order you desire. So as always, we do have bonus days in here for you. So some fun little hormone blends and just different manly blends. We also, as another bonus that we've created for you guys, is when you open these up, you'll notice that there's Instagram Reel audio selection. So Reels and videos are a very potent way to get exposure on your account. So what we do is we pull an audio that would complement this copy. And again, this is where you get to get creative of you can take the copy from here, or you can just grab one of our graphics and create a reel from that. So you can have a lot of fun with this, but we do have in here a ton of audio for your Instagram Reels as well. So there's a lot of value within these content calendars that you can utilize for both your Instagram, your Facebook group, your social media, your newsletters. And again, this is a topic that's been highly requested, is really educating our women and men on how we utilize our essential oils for men's health, for creating more of a low tox lifestyle, and for enhancing our men's overall health. So we hope you enjoy, and as always, reach out if you have any questions.